And we're back to learn Photoshop in the year day 226. Let me show the notepaper photo filter. We go to filter, filter gallery. It's in the sketch folder. If you can't find it, use the drop down here where it's alphabetically sorted. Notepaper is the official name. Let me zoom out a little bit. And now we have three parameters. Most importantly is the image balance. This controls the balance between the darker and the lighter areas. So lower values will give you more lighter areas. And if you go up, you're going to have more shadows. Then we have the graininess. So it is more like a grain texture that's applied. If you go low, it's going to be less. If you go high, it's going to be stronger. And finally, there's the relief, which is basically the depth, and that is created by the balance between shadows and highlights. With lower values, you're going to get a more flatter look. And if you go high, it's going to be more, you could say, embossing, so the texture will be more intense. And this I can use the notepaper photo filter in Photoshop. Hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.